Which smart window blinds are actually worth your time? It seems every product looks similar, with the same flashy features and promises. But to find the best, you gotta dig a little deeper. Product number 1. SwitchBot Blind Tilt. First up is the SwitchBot Blind Tilt. At $59.99, this device caught my eye because it offers an easy way to make your existing blinds smart without a complete overhaul. If you want to upgrade your blinds without the hassle, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The SwitchBot Blind Tilt is designed for horizontal blinds with a tilt rod, making it incredibly accessible for many homes. It features a 2000 mAh lithium battery and a solar panel for continuous charging, so you don't have to worry about battery replacements. The precise alignment control allows for adjustments to within 2 degrees, which means you can fine-tune the light entering your space. Plus, you can control it through a smartphone app or with voice commands if you add the SwitchBot Hub Mini. Now, some people complained about the compatibility, stating it doesn't work with vertical blinds or roller shades. Here's the thing though, if you have horizontal blinds, this won't be an issue at all, and for many, the ease of installation alone makes it a great buy. This is perfect for you if you want a simple upgrade to your existing blinds without spending a ton. Skip this one if you have vertical blinds or are looking for a complete window covering solution. For the price, it offers solid value for making your home smarter. Now, if the compatibility issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, SwitchBot Smart Electric Blinds Kit. Next is the SwitchBot Smart Electric Motorized Blinds Kit, priced at $164.99. This kit includes 3 smart blinds and a hub, which is a great deal if you want to convert multiple windows at once. If you're looking for a convenient way to automate several blinds, this is worth a serious look. Why does this matter? The kit allows for tool-free installation, meaning you can set it up without any complicated drilling or tools. Each blind has a solar-powered lithium battery, so you'll never have to worry about changing batteries. And it supports voice commands via Alexa, Google Home, and Siri, making it super convenient. The built-in light sensor automatically adjusts the blinds based on the outside light, keeping your home comfortable. Now, some users reported difficulty syncing the blinds with their smart assistant. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up right, it works like a charm, and the convenience of controlling multiple blinds at once is totally worth a little initial hassle. This is perfect for you if you have several windows to automate and want a user-friendly setup. Skip this one if you're only looking to upgrade one window. For multiple blinds, the value is definitely there. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for convenience. Product number 3, Hapitif Motorized Blinds. The Hapitif Motorized Blinds come in at $89.60 and offer a no-drill installation, which really caught my attention. If you want an easy-to-install option for your windows, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters. The no-drill mechanism means you can set these up in minutes without damaging your walls. The blackout fabric not only blocks out light effectively, but also provides UV protection, making it perfect for bedrooms or living rooms where privacy is key. It works with smart home systems and can be controlled via an app or voice commands, adding a layer of convenience to your daily routine. That said, some reviews mention that the remote can be a bit finicky. Here's the thing, though, once you get the hang of it, the convenience of having automated blinds is hard to beat, and it's a small price to pay for such a functional product. This is perfect for you if you want a hassle-free installation with solid blackout capabilities. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional setup. For the cost, it offers good value, especially for renters or those looking to avoid drilling. Now, if you're looking for even more functionality, the next option might be exactly what you need. Product number 4, Kinkmo Motorized Blinds. Next, we have the Kinkmo Motorized Blinds, priced at $115.99. What stood out to me is its full blackout capability, which is a dream for anyone who values sleep. If you're after total darkness in your room, this is worth a serious look. Why is this important? The 4-layer fabric blocks out all light, which is perfect for late sleepers or those who enjoy movie nights without distractions. The motor is ultra quiet, which means you won't be disturbed when they open or close. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with smart home systems like Apple HomeKit, Alexa, and Google Home, allowing you to control it from anywhere. However, some users found it challenging to install. Here's the thing though, while it might take a little more effort up front, the peace of mind and comfort it provides once installed make it worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you value a completely dark room for sleeping or movie watching. Skip this one if you prefer something easier to install right away. The quality and features justify the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you're on a budget, the last product might catch your eye. Product number 5. Hapitif No Drill Automatic Blinds. Finally, we have another product from Hapitif, the No Drill Automatic Roller Shades, priced at $89.90. This option is very similar to the previous ones, but comes with a stylish valance. If you want an attractive and functional window treatment, this is worth a serious look. This matters because the included valance not only adds a decorative touch, but also blocks light from sneaking in around the top. Similar to the other models, these blinds can be set up without any drilling, making them convenient for renters. They also come with smart technology for voice control and app integration, making your life a bit easier. Some customers mentioned a concern about the durability of the fabric. Here's the thing though, while it may not be as heavy-duty as some options, it's still a solid choice for everyday use and privacy. This is perfect for you if you want a smart blind that looks good and is easy to install. Skip this one if you need something extremely robust. For the price, it's a great entry point into smart home tech. Now let's wrap things up and compare all 5 options. So we've covered 5 great smart window blinds. The SwitchBot Blind Tilt is perfect for a simple upgrade, while the SwitchBot Smart Electric Kit is ideal for full automation. The Hapitif options offer easy installation, and the Kinkmo blinds are a must for total darkness. Finally, the Hapitif No Drill blinds add a stylish touch. No matter your needs, there's a smart blind solution here for you.